Now it's time to welcome Luigi. He's a senior from Pella, Iowa, majoring in psychology with a minor in mental health. Luigi's going to share his experiences balancing a part-time job while going to school and how he's picked up practical life skills all along the way. Take it away, Luigi.
Thanks, Alex, and hello, everyone. Right away, I knew UNI was a great fit for me. From its campus size to the support of faculty and staff, I've enjoyed my experiences and the opportunities that have come along the way. It took some adjustment, but I'm grateful to have UNI be my home away from home. UNI has provided me with many amazing opportunities to get involved on campus. Aside from my academics and the different student organizations that I'm in, I also work on campus. I am a busy student, but whether you're working to pay for your college tuition and living expenses, or simply for spending money, working while going to school is completely doable. My first work experience at UNI was being a summer orientation leader. Now, I've worked in many departments across campus, like student success and retention, housing and dining, and academic advising. Those experiences have helped me build and develop both hard and soft skills, which I will be used to leverage on a resume after I graduate. I know that as a student employee, I also learned more about how to balance my time as a student and a person, as well as how to budget and manage my money. If you're looking for job opportunities, UNI's Career Services Office is ready to help connect you to campus jobs, internship opportunities, and of course, post-graduation positions. I've seen firsthand at how UNI strives to prepare students for both academic and professional success. My many job opportunities at UNI have helped prepare me for the future. Regardless of the position, working on campus has allowed me to network, develop meaningful relationships, challenge myself to try new things, and do amazing things for this campus and the community. That's all from me. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Luigi. There's nothing like having a few extra dollars in your pocket. The Northern Iowa Career Services Office is just another great resource to help students succeed. Thanks for sharing your experience and your success, Luigi.